Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Firmanda from R8F class. I would like to share you my last project video, and I'm here to help you create your first quiz with Proprofs.
Proprofs Quiz Maker is a tool to create online tests, quizzes, and assessments. Quizzes can be created and shared in a matter of seconds with its easy-to-use interface that supports features such as automated grading, certificates, and more. For the first step for opening a Proprofs is you need to go to the proprofs.com. At Proprofs, I believe that software should make people happy, so you're going to find Proprofs Quiz Tool is super easy to use. I wanted to show you how great quizzes can look in Proprofs. This quiz asks for first and last name. You can completely customize your quiz and capture any information such as name, email, phone, and almost everything else you want to know. Ready to create your first quiz? We have two types of quiz styles. One is a scored quiz, which has right or wrong answers. The other is what we like to call a personality quiz, which asks questions that capture an opinion like what is your favorite color and gives a result at the end. Let's create a scored quiz. Proprofs have library of ready-made quizzes that you can copy, edit as needed, and use right away. And for today, I'm going to show you how to create an online quiz from scratch. It's super easy. You just click on Create from Scratch and you are immediately taken to this page, which show you Proprofs Quiz Maker Editor. The first thing you can do is add information about your quiz. Just add the name at your quiz here. And now, you just add a quiz description here. I can just type something in, or I can copy and paste some text in here. And then you can change the media if you like. You can see that you can upload an image. Use Proprofs library of images, search for an image, or embed a link. I'm going to use an image from library. Alright, so now we have our quiz description. See, here on the left side, you can add questions. We have 6 main question types that you can choose from. And here, you can access even more question types. And you can even import questions from another quiz you created or from an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to add a multiple choice question here. Here, you can upload an image or select one from Proprofs library. Now, let's add first question. And now we can add our answer options. You can see that I have the option to add an image for each answer. To pick the right answer, I just select the button next to it. And for your information, Proprofs have a pool of over 100,000 ready-to-use quiz questions. And now let's take a look at some of the other settings you can configure. Here, you can set up scoring, how you want the result to appear, the order of the questions, how you want to present questions, and set up your completion certificate and reporting. Here, you can set up whether you want your quiz to be public or private and add a password. You can also select the information you want to gather from your quiz takers here. Now, we can set up some basic branding for our quiz. Just click on theme, and here you can change your theme, colors, background, fonts, and more. Once you have finished your quiz, you can easily share it via email, link, on social media, or embed it directly on your website or blog. And for another example, I make true or false quiz. And now, let's just take a quick preview of our quiz so you can see what it looks like. And about the score, the students can see it when they has completed your quiz.
They will receive a certificate of completion and can also see information about how they answer questions.